What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. My name is Taco. I hope you're having a great day. Thursday, January 9th. And crypto ain't looking too good today. Let's get right into it. All right. Before we do, give us a follow over on X at Degen Alpha Show. We are live on X and YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks, hosted by me, crypto_taco01, the one and only. I am also the host of the at Roundtable Space. This is Mario Nafal's crypto show. I am the Web3 gaming host, live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have been playing the crap out of Seraph. I mean, I'm super addicted. I am going to be, after this stream, eating some food and then probably streaming this on my personal channel, which is the crypto_taco01 account right here. Yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with this game. If you are a fan of Diablo, old school Diablo, then you will love this game. It's a dark action roleplay game where you are set in like the depths of hell and you have to escape with your dignity. And of course, you get to choose your character. There's like necromancers, summoners, or sorcerers, barbarians, valkyries, and druids. So a lot of choices and customization with your skill trees and your stats. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun, and I actually just switched up my character. I'm doing so much more damage now, and yeah, you're just gonna have to wait and watch that stream if you want to watch my gameplay. All right, headed back to Degen Alpha. Be sure to get into the Telegram. It is our pinned tweet. We are up to 194 members. Of course, I posted that we were live, and this was yesterday's live stream. But before we go into further in the show, I posted at 5:34 yesterday that I bought 0.15 of large language model. It was at a 43 million market cap. And I looked this morning, it's up to 118 million market cap for a nice little 175% gain there. Let's see. Who is this? Braggs, I think. Briggs was posting Fatcoin. He made some profits on Fatcoin. Love to see that. I also posted Miggles. Hasn't made the move yet, but I feel like other exchanges like Binance are going to be listing Miggles. So I just have like a speculative price target of around a 275 million market cap. That would be over a 4x from the current price that we're at. Just like a sleeper that shut out of the gates after it was listed on Base way back during the summer, during Coinbase summer. Kind of went on a little consolidation and then shot out of a cannon up to around 180 million market cap. Has retraced. So yeah, I'm thinking that Mr. Miggles, don't forget about Mr. Miggles on Base. He could be a runner. If we ever get out of this little mini bear market that we've started already in January 1st of 2025. But anyway, we have the airdrop channel. I have put this out, PSA. Sign into Bubble Maps with your Web3 wallet, but first fill out this form. It's essentially just putting in your email address so you are on the wait list. I would do it, and then we actively use Bubble Maps on this channel. If you guys mention like memecoins or different AI agents, I like to go into Bubble Maps, input the contract address and see the holders, the holder count, the percentages, and see if there's any clusters. Clusters are when one wallet most likely buys a massive quantity of the supply, and then they send it out to a bunch of other wallets, trying to hide the fact that they are doing that. But Bubble Maps makes it very, very easy, and you can see into the holders of any token that you're looking into. What's up, Crazy 5525? Glad you're joining us today. Glad you are here. I hope you're having a great day. All right, let's get back to the main browser here, and then we have the ref links. If you want to go through this, you want to trade on Photon. I've been trading on Photon. I love it. It's super straightforward, easy to use. My Photon is over here a little bit. There it is. So this is actually what happened to me with large language model. I bought it. Of course, you can see my buy at 43 million market cap, but I had to go to Walmart. I had to get some food, and I set a stop loss right at my buy. Of course, it freaking hit my my stop loss, and then it was too late for me to get back into it. it actually probably wasn't too late, but yeah, I missed out on this percent gain, 234% gain because my stop loss hit. Oh well, oh well. We're up on our little play wallet here. You can see some of the holdings and the tokens that we've traded in the past. Solana, large language model, Quickscope. I just speculated on Quickscope when it was like 160,000 market cap. It hasn't really done anything. I only put in zero point 0.1. MLG, though, we've been printing on. We've already sold 0.41 Solana. We have 0.18 remaining, and our position is up 200%. I'm hoping this thing could start getting back up to where it was. That'd be about over 100% gain if it gets back to 160 million market cap. King Koopa, what is going on? And Justin Eubanks, what is going on? What is going on? What's up, Degens? Glad you guys are here. All right, let's get into some of the stories I got for you guys today. But first, Bitcoin hodlers, just hodl, buy the dip. The class of 2025. Why should we listen to you? I have played these games before. Don't move. Hold. I don't know if you guys have watched the new Squid Games. I love it. I love it. I just wish that I didn't have to wait for the next season to come out. Because I blasted through the new season in probably like 2 days. Really good season. He is back in the Squid Games, and I don't know. Is crypto like in a sense Squid Games? If you move too soon, if you sell too soon, you're out. You get killed. Just fun. We're having fun. I like to have fun on this channel. All right, so this is like the big news that came out. According to DB News, the Department of Justice is cleared to sell 69,370 Bitcoin or $6.58 billion that was confiscated from the Silk Road. So here you can see on Arkham their wallet holding. You can see the balance up there in the top left. You can see the amount of Bitcoin they have. And you can also see that they have not moved this in over 2 years. So is this just like a big old FUD story? Because I'm hearing that this also came out on December 30th. So here you can see the headline: DOJ cleared to sell the Bitcoin seized by Silk Road. So here is the actual information. A federal judge ruled December 30th, so last year, that the DOJ can sell all their Bitcoin seized from Silk Road darknet marketplace. Officials confirmed. A year-long ownership dispute over the seized Bitcoin ended after Battleborn Investments lost its bid to delay the sale. The group has claimed ownership through a bankruptcy estate and recently lost a related FOIA case seeking to reveal the identity of individual X, who originally surrendered the Bitcoin. Battleborn's attorney called it another egregious example of the DOJ's abuse of the civil asset forfeiture process, claiming the government relied on procedural trickery to make sure the facts are never heard. The DOJ cited Bitcoin's price volatility is pushing for permission to sell the assets. When asked about next steps, a DOJ spokesman said, "The government will proceed further consistent with the judge in this case. The seized Bitcoin is currently valued at $6.5 billion." So then I have this story. Well, not story. This is an individual, Punk 9059. A couple facts that seem like they're getting lost in this. USA is dumping on you, and insiders are front running it. Sorry. The ruling from the DOJ happened on December 30th, so over a week ago. It was related to the privacy of an identity, including the ruling here. Since then, absolutely nothing has moved from the Silk Road wallet. In fact, it's been years since anything has moved from there. I think the crypto press just picked on some case from a week ago and turned it into a viral story. They included the address that we just looked at if you want to track it. Here's another look into their wallet. Haven't moved anything, and you can see the last transaction. Can you see it on here? This is saying it was on the 8th. Paying a fee. And then what is this one? This is just some court filings. So what do you guys think? Do you think that this Bitcoin is going to be dumped on the market? Do you think it's going to be like OTC deals? Are we all going to panic? Is Bitcoin heading to 70K or 69K? That is the next line on the Fibonacci here below where we're currently at. We're on the daily, and that would be the one Fibonacci level, and that would be at $69,265. The 200-day moving average is sitting at $77,961. If it gets down there, that would be a 17% downturn. If it gets down to the Fibonacci, that would be a 25%. The complete move for the Fibonacci for the moving average would be 28%. And if we get down to the fib, that would be a complete move of 35.53%, which I believe we have seen these type of moves in the past. The percent downturn. So like what was this back in 2021? That was 31% to the downside. This was 26%. Let's zoom in here. Probably around 15 to 20, I would guess. Let's see. That was 16, 17%. This was 11%. So throughout a bull market, we do see pullbacks of 20 plus percent. Seems to get up to around maybe mid 30s. I would believe that. I don't know. I mean, we have had a nice bull market so far with a big consolidation period kind of right in the middle of it, 219 days going sideways. We shot out of it in November. We went up around, let's see, 56%. And then let's go back in time. Let's see like what this type of move was. From here to here, it's 136%. From here to here, about 100% move. So I don't know if we'll see that big dump on Bitcoin, but I mean, on the daily, we're showing a 19 bear versus a -5 bull. My prediction actually came true. So I was a little far out on my prediction of a red dot printing on Market Cipher B down here. As you can see, I made the little hump and I did the little circle for that red dot to print. I was just a little far out in the future. I was on like the 10th. So tomorrow or Saturday, I was speculating that red dot was going to print, but it printed today. Actually, it printed yesterday. And it has confirmed and printed the next candle. So that is going to be permanently there, that red dot. Money flow is heading down. RSIs are heading down, and the VWAP is heading down. So I am just not seeing any strength for Bitcoin right now on the daily. The 4 hour, though, could be showing a bottom, not the bottom. We are showing a 14 bull versus a -3 bear. The Market Cipher B down here has shown a green dot in 1 hour and 51 minutes. It will print or it will disappear. We have the VWAP stretched out and heading to the upside. So that is not really super bullish when it's very, very stretched out and kind of inverted. I'm looking at this yellow wave right here. And money flow is still in the green, which is good. And the RSIs are also very low. One of the lowest points that they can get at. Obviously, it can get down to very close to zero. Right now, it touched 11.55. And it looks like they are starting to head to the upside. Let's get rid of that line. Didn't mean to draw it. So in the past, when they got this low, was around here. Whoops. Around here, they got this low. Around here, they got this low. And we have to go back in time to look at the last time that the purple RSI got that low. And it was right here in November, the beginning of November. So this is on the 4 hour. So keep that in mind. But we do have a few signs that say this could potentially be a bottom, not the bottom. We have some confluence in the past with the RSIs. We have actually also confluence with the momentum wave. We did print a momentum wave right here that printed a green, red, green dot. So it was a little wonky around that time. This was the end of December. This time was right near Christmas time. And back here, we have different looking momentum waves, but around the same point negative that they reached. So right now we're at a -50. -50 right up here. Right here around December 3rd. So yeah, I'm still thinking that maybe there's a little bit of upward price action for Bitcoin in the short term. Maybe it forms that bottom with that green dot. We'll have to wait and see. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see what else I got for you guys. So I went over that. So latest new estimates reveal Bitcoin ownership distribution. So I've actually never seen this type of chart before. Individuals hold about 70% of the Bitcoin that is out right now. Satoshi, owning, I believe, 1 million Bitcoin in his wallet. So you can kind of expect that that's not going to move. He owns 4.6%. ETFs, funds and ETFs own 5.9%. But then you have lost Bitcoin, 7.5% of the Bitcoin, the 21 million Bitcoin that will only ever exist. Almost 8% is lost forever. Other entities 0.9, and government is 1.5. To be mined is 5.8. We have about 2 million Bitcoin to go. We are currently at 19, so less than 2 million. We're looking at like 1 million, 100,000 Bitcoin left to be mined. All right. We're over here on CoinMarketCap. Let's chill over here for a minute. Total market cap is up slightly, very, very slightly, 0.04%, which is actually kind of weird since the whole entire market seems to be down. There you go. I refreshed the page. It is down 1%, sitting at 3.24 trillion. 24-hour volume down 12%, 151.79 billion. Bitcoin dominance is slightly creeping up to 56.7, and ETH dominance is creeping down 12.1. If you want to send your friend some Ethereum, it'll cost you around 80 cents. Let's check that. Let's refresh this. It's looking like more like 50 cents. 71 cents if you want to send your friend some Ethereum. All right, let's see what is going on with the prices. Bitcoin, $92,756. Down on the hour, 1.37%. Down on the day, 1.9%. And the week, 4.22%. I'm going to sit back a little bit. And sit up. Jeez. Slouched. All right, Ethereum. It's under 3,300, which was a strong support over the last few months, sitting at $3,258, down about 1% over last hour, over 1% over last day, and 5.5% over the last 7 days. XRP down across the board, BNB down across the board, Solana back under $190, 187.93, down 8.56% this week. Cardano still holding 90 cents. I like to see that at least. Still down across the board. Avalanche down across the board. Sui showing some life. One of the only top gainers in the top 15, top 20 here. Up 9.6% over the last 7 days. 2% over the last day. But down on the hour. Let's look at the top gainers. Probably not much. Yeah, a bunch of randoms. Kaya is up 4.55% today, but down on the hour, down on the 7 day. Movement, new blockchain, up on the 7 day, up on the 24 hour about 4%, and slightly down. And XDC network up across the board. KuCoin up today, down on the hour, down on the week. And look at the top losers. SPX 6900 up on the week, but down almost 19% over the last 24 hours and dumping on the hourly, down 5%. AI16Z, it looks like everyone took their profits from AI16Z and put it into the large language model or into Fatcoin. Yeah, down 32% over the last 7 days, 16% over the last 24 hours, and 3.33% over the last hour. I would actually go out on a whim and say maybe this is a good buying opportunity for AI16Z. 1.5 billion market cap. So it is holding that 1.5 billion market cap even after dropping 32% over the last 7 days. Thorchain now having a great week, down almost 28%. Thorchain on the 24 hour down 13 and 2.55 on the hour. Hyperliquid down below $20, but I mean, it's at a 6.6 billion market cap. How much higher can it go? How much lower can it go? I think it could potentially go lower since it shot out of a cannon so aggressively. I feel like a lot of people are thinking like, all right, I don't want this to go down any further before I secure profits. So maybe some people are going to be taking profits on their airdrop that they received when it was worth less than $5. So a 5x, 4x on their position, they want to secure that, I would assume. Yeah, everything is pretty much down today. Arbitrum down to 75 cents. Still just cannot catch a bid and get above that dollar, which it got to, I think, in March. Yeah, March it almost got March it got to $2. So I mean, I wish I took profits on my Arbitrum back then, but everyone was like, "Oh, it's gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher." No one expected this. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so kind of par for the course with the recent price action across the board, but Bro is printing its 8th daily red candle in a row since Binance perp listings. So a lot of people say like when these type of tokens get listed on Binance perpetuals that they just dump. I mean, not always, but I mean Bro seems to be following that pattern. Maybe a good opportunity to get into it if you've been sidelined. Let's check out Bro on the chart. $316 million market cap, and look at that sell-off. About 60% sell-off. Possibly a support zone would be around this area. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So, I mean, it's entering very, very close to that area. About $14 billion off. Maybe around a 300 million market cap would be a floor for Bro. We were buying and selling this thing on the run up here. We made I think like a 2x on Bro. That was before like the mind share of AI just completely went bonkers and everybody was buying AI agents. All right, let's keep it going. All right, Hive Mapper. Hive Mapper is an RWA, a decentralized mapping network built on Solana. They have achieved an amazing milestone, mapping over 30% of the world, nearly 1/3 of it. So, if you are interested in this project, Hive Mapper, the ticker is Honey. All right, so 217 million market cap. Volume pretty low, but at least it's up 6% today. All right, the fastest growing mapping company in history. Explore the map. So I believe what you can do. Oh, that's dirty. They put us in Los Angeles. This is what's happening in Los Angeles right now. If I can find my tab. There we go.
Right here, right here. This is where it's gotta be. This is, oh my God. What? I've never, look at this. Beyond comprehension. Oh. That's very sad.
Yeah, not good, not good. I saw this really strange video of the beginning of the fires, and it looks like 3 fires spawned all at the same time. Is this like do you think this was a natural disaster or do you think it was caused by something? I don't know. It's terrible. I want to head back here and head products. So Beekeeper AI Fleet Management, Image API, Features API, Scout, Imagery Ready Map. I think there's like this RWA actual like object that you could put in your car. There it is, order. All right, so if you want to start mining Hive Mapper, start adding to the mapping of our world, you could purchase one for 589 bucks, hook it up, and then start earning the honey token for mapping the world. Just an idea if you're interested. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so Sui aims to partner with OpenAI. I feel like they could have picked a better partner. OpenAI, I mean, was a nonprofit that Sam Altman and I believe Elon Musk created, and then he turned it into a for-profit. What's up, Donato Cabrera? Glad you are here with us today. So I feel like if they chose Grok, I would have been way more bullish on it. But I mean, OpenAI is a gigantic company, so it could be a good play. Sui is working to become primary layer for AI agents, agents that can coordinate payments and large bookings. Sui co-founder recently said they're eager to work directly with large language model devs at OpenAI. So pretty interesting. This will probably come in the future. And then more bullishness on Sui. In just 2 months, Spring Sui has become the number one Sui liquid staking token standard. Today, SSui and Spring Sui ecosystem of liquid staking tokens represents approximately 286 million staked Sui, or 38% of all liquid staked Sui. So we have used this actual product. First, head over to Spring Sui, connect your Sui wallet, and then you can essentially swap your SWI for SSWI. You will earn 2.64%. SSWI is the liquid staking token. And then you can take your SSWI over to SWI Lend and you can deposit into the SSWI stake pool. What's up, David Middleton? So the pool, when we first entered this, was under 100 million. Now it's up to a quarter billion. So you're earning SEN points and 5.19% APR. So after you connect your wallet and you deposit in, right next to your Connect wallet, you will see your send allocation start to grow over time. And then you can scroll down to the bottom and start to see your earnings as well. So there is a catch. I believe that if you wait until the mature date for your send points to like claim your send allocation, if you wait, I believe it's like 2 or 3 months, then you get the full allocation. If you withdraw early, then I believe you have to pay like a SWI fee. It's not super high, but I mean it's still there to obfuscate people from just claiming their rewards and then dumping it. So yeah, we're bullish on SWI. I think I might have one more story on SWI. Here we go. SWI reached 40 million total active accounts, up 20% in just the last 30 days. You can see the chart right here is just growing parabolically up and to the right, with more users jumping into the SWI network. I'm glad I jumped in when it was under $2. I mean, we were looking at it when it was under $1, and I was also comparing it to Say. Similar type of, I guess you could say, launch, but obviously SWI has definitely outperformed Say. I got a pretty big airdrop from Say, 3,000 Say. When it was airdropped, it was worth around $1,500 when it was $1. Well, actually, when it was $1, it was worth 3,000. So let's hope SWI can reclaim that dollar and maybe get to like a 5 or a 10 billion market cap in the future. I would love that. All right, let's keep it going. Out of nowhere, overnight up a bit, has accumulated the most Ondo it has ever accumulated and now owns 2.41% of all of the Ondo. What do they know? So let's go to Ondo real quick. What is the price? Is it back under $1 or near Nodo? Ondo. All right, it's getting closer and closer to $1 after getting above, I think, $2. Yeah, it got above $2. So let's maybe speculate on where Ondo can go. Let's look at it on Coinbase. All right, so right here on the 4 hourly, similar to Bitcoin, it is showing a bottom, not the bottom. We are in red on money flow. RSIs are together and they are very, very low. So that's a good sign that it can't really go that much lower. The last time they were this low was around this time. So we could possibly see a little upward price action for Ondo. Let's go out to the daily. So it does seem to have these big price action gains. That was about 100%. And then it loses all of it, down 66%, goes sideways for about 100 days, and then shot out of it on November, up to $2.13 or 249% gain. So do you think Ondo can go down to the moving average at about $1.05 from where we're currently at? That would just be another 16% to the downside. I would definitely put in a limit order at around $1.05. I might actually do that off stream. After the stream, I might put in a buy or a limit buy for Ondo around $1.05, $1.06, because it's looking like it wants to go down to that area and possibly form a bottom. Because Ondo, I mean, like I just showed you right here, you have major exchanges accumulating it like crazy. 1.71 billion market cap. It got up to almost a 3 billion market cap. So I would yeah, I'm bullish on Ondo, a real world asset working with BlackRock. Let's go to their website. My nose is so stuffy. So the last time I checked, they had 2 products with a third coming out. There's 2 right here. So USDY, US dollar yield, and US Treasuries yield, 4.35% over here and 4.45% over here. They're working with Founders Fund, Coinbase, and Pantera. Highest quality asset and managers. Our funds invest exclusively into multi-billion-dollar high liquid exchange traded funds managed by the world's preeminent bond managers, BlackRock. So, I mean, they're a legit project. I know Discover Crypto has been covering them for a while. And I've been looking for an opportunity to get in after I just watched it run up from $1 billion to a $3 billion market cap, or from a price of 60 cents up to 213. So yeah, definitely on my radar, Ondo. Looking to scoop some up if it falls maybe a little bit more, but I should just get into it so I don't regret if the price just decides to reverse to the upside. Like crypto tends to want to do that. Push people too low where they're scared to get in, and then reverse fast enough where people are like, I missed it, and they don't get in. I feel like this is the time of the market where big players are trying to push people out of the market, scare people out of their bags. People that got in over the last maybe month or two, they thought it was nothing but up. We're in a bull market. Not quite, not quite. All right, anyway, in other news, Coinbase to launch perpetual contracts for Solana-based DeFi token Drift. So perpetuals on Drift. I know Isaac from Blockchain Basement has been bullish on Drift. So let's head over to Drift. Check it out. All right, head to their website. The future of wealth creation for all. Trade, earn, and build generational wealth. They do have a airdrop campaign, I believe. So if you use their project, use their app, you can most likely qualify for the airdrop. I believe. Last time I checked. Let's go to Pro. We're pros. So it's your standard dashboard here. Obviously, they have a bunch of different crypto that you can leverage trade. You can have limit, longs, shorts. You can market in, limit, pro orders, stop market, stop limit, take profit limit. So there's it's like a professional dashboard if you want to trade perpetuals on Drift. The only thing is, I believe you do have to send your crypto into the protocol to be able to trade. So we're on Phantom. Let's get our Phantom hooked up. All right. Turn off cap locks. Oh my God. Oops. Oh my God. What am I doing? F11. Jeez. All right. Let's try that one more time. There we go. We're in. All right. So here is the page that not a fan of, but I mean, whatever. They want you to have like a trading terminal dashboard for yourself. I wish it would just take it from your wallet, but yeah, you're gonna have to send. You're gonna have to create an account, and it costs 0.04 Solana. Not breaking the bank, but still, I mean, you have to fund your account, and you need uh to cover uh account creation and transaction fees. I mean, I wish I could just connect my wallet and just trade from my wallet, but whatever. Whatever. I think Drift is good. Had a nice gain there. I think it's got listed to Binance. Upbit, Spot, and Binance Futures it got listed on. So it's kind of formed a base around $1. 316 million market cap. I think you're gonna get up to $1 billion easily. All right, Jupuary update. When airdrop checker tier changes, allocation changes. So next week before Wednesday, they're coming out Jupiter, which is the DEX on Solana. They have like proposal voting, they have staking, and they even have a launch pad. And I believe you could even trade leverage on there too, on chain. So here's a little update
being made. I'll tell you right now. So there's changes into the way that the tiers are being designed. There's some changes in terms of the allocation. There's some special bonuses we're cooking up. Bottom line is always the same, right? We want to grow the pie. We want to bring more users into the Jupiverse, hopefully make them stake, and just make everyone feel appreciated. No specific details, but I can tell you it's coming next week. As Meow and I have been saying for a long time now, this is not going to be like the first Jupiverse, where everyone gets an airdrop and everyone is so happy. My hope is that the real kind of consistent human beings feel appreciated. And they're able to increase their stake and participate in governance. That is the hope. What I'll tell you is this.
My mistake. I muted myself so I could clear my nose. Didn't work. But all right. So yeah, this is coming next week before Wednesday. Thank you guys for letting me know I'm muted. So I am looking forward to my allocation. I have been trading on Jupiter, so I think I'll at least score maybe 50. I think that's like the bottom tier. In order to jump up a tier, I think you had to. Am I still muted? No, I'm back. All right, I'm back. Yeah, in the past, I've used Jupiter. I think to qualify for the next tier level, unless they've changed it, it's 10,000 volume. But I believe right before that it was like 1,000 volume. So I've definitely qualified for the 1,000 volume traded on Jupiter. So I'm hoping that I qualify for maybe the next tier list. I just haven't gone through my wallet and added up all my transactions. I mean, that sounds like a nightmare. My David Middleton, my Ondo average is 70 cents, looking tempting to grab more. I would agree with that. King Koopa, I see a nice swing failure pattern to the downside, quick wick, and then a hard pump probably over the next few days. I feel like by next week we will be back moving up. This just feels like a washout. I 100% agree. Can I just send some Sol or DOT or AVAX to 2bit? I don't want to link my bank account. I have never used 2bit. I'm not 100% sure. Isn't Blockchain Basement sponsored by 2bit? I would ask Drew. I'm not 100% sure. I have not used 2bit. Paper Planes. Bing Bong. Little Candle Mafia from my boy Frankie Candles. All right. Let's keep it going. I showed you guys that. Terrible what's happening in Los Angeles right now. If you are in Los Angeles, I hope you're safe. And secondly, I hope your house, your pets, everything is safe. But I mean, it looks like it was a really big disaster. Very terrible. So this kind of goes with what King Koopa is saying. 250 million USDC minted at Circle Treasury on Solana. This is usually to buy the dip. Just in, Cardano ADA has been included in an ETP issued by 21 Shares, expanding its presence in traditional finance markets. Hey, finally ADA catching a little bit of a bid. Dave Middleton, Carrot at 51 million. Guess I'll just buy more. Let's check out Carrot. Hey, David Middleton, do you play the game My Pet Hooligan? Oh yeah, it's down to one of the lowest points it has been at, 26 cents. It's very, very close to that point. So I would really hope that it can hold that support. Otherwise, this could be in a free fall. Gonna need to see some bullish news, an update coming out of the My Pet Hooligan Carrot team for the price of this token to go up. All right, and then this guy, David Stryzowski, claims Bank of America is doing 100% of its internal transactions on Ripple and have 83 different patents on it. Let's
another one you like is Ripple. You said it is the coin to be looking at right now.
Absolutely.
Why?
Okay, so Ripple actually was the second largest coin prior to the SEC's investigation of them. They did this really weird lawsuit against them, and basically the Ripple's going to be the track that everything's going to be running on in the future. So they created their own stable coin right now.
Okay.
And Bank of America, like I said, they were doing 100% of their internal transactions. They've got 83 different patents on it, and there's some incredible stuff that's going to be coming out. So
another one you like.
All right. Let's not forget that Ripple is paying off all these companies, banks to use their product. I mean, if it is a good product, and if this is accurate, I mean, this is what everyone has been waiting for Ripple, for banks to use the tech. But this part, 83 different patents. Let's go to Google because I don't like Brave search. Bank of America doing 100% of internal transactions on XRP with 83 patents. Sound planning CEO on Fox. I mean, we just watched the video, but is it true? Revealed Bank of America has 83 patents to interact with XRP Ledger. Same video, but like, where's the evidence? So this guy referenced the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. We obviously just knew that. Is Bank of America using the XRP Ledger? During the interview, this dude described XRP as the infrastructure for future financial systems. Where is the evidence? Ripple partner in collaboration with banks were blah 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 blah. 83 patents filed by Bank of America and reference using stablecoins for its international transactions. It is unclear whether Bank of America holds patents specifically tied to Ripple XRP or XRPL, but the bank has thousands of technology-related patents. So they literally just took the video and put it into words. They didn't really give us any information. I'm gonna look maybe for like another 30 seconds and then I'm gonna give up. Bank of America. Let's see. This is from Binance. There's been a growing buzz with the crypto space following reports suggesting that Bank of America may be using XRP for all of its internal transaction. Yeah, it has not been confirmed by the bank directly. The connection between Ripple's blockchain technology and the financial giant is well established. Bank of America has long been a part of Ripple's global payment network, RippleNet, and also sits on the Ripple Governance Committee. So, yeah, we don't have a concrete yes or no. It's just speculation right now. All right, and then last but not least, Chrono Forge, new game coming to Abstract. Chrono Forge is a radical AI-infused multiplayer RPG where community decisions literally make or break the world. I am going to be playing this game on the Mario Nafal Roundtable if it comes out and it's playable, obviously. So let's watch this little game preview. Hey, someone entered into the Telegram. What's up, Seb? Welcome to Degen Alpha. All right, let's watch this little video.
Chrono Forge is a radical action RPG in which the collective decisions of all players literally make or break the world. At first glance, the core game loop looks like a traditional multiplayer RPG. Players gear up with 12 combat classes to battle exotic foes through time, from dinosaurs to space raiders. Raiding and open-world harvesting minigames produce materials to upgrade community-governed flying outposts, known as trading companies, which provide top-tier crafting facilities and quest lines. But there's a huge twist. Each week, players tune in to vote on whether their trading company airships attack each other, attempt an uneasy peace, or activate the game's most powerful smelting facility, the Chrono Forge, which temporarily gives access to the best gear and endgame.
I just realized I was muted. I'm sorry. I said it's pretty cool. So you can have your own like trading post that could fight other trading posts, or it could vote like within your clan to activate the epic crafting station
Content. If too many Chrono Forges are active at once, a planetary fracture occurs, which wipes out everyone's trading companies. Greed isn't always good. It's this MMO-style social experiment and prisoner's dilemma that will keep players and streamers coming back week to week for potentially world-shattering events. Come join us. Forge the future.
Chrono Forge. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm throwing you for a loop because I keep on muting myself so I could clear my nose, but I forget to unmute myself. So yeah, I'm excited about this game coming to Abstract Chain. I think Abstract is going to be a massive blockchain, working with like the Pudgy Penguins and a bunch of their team members. Luca Nets, he couldn't even posted, yes, Abstract themselves. This looks amazing. Hannah looks so cool. So yeah, I am going to be playing this game when it comes out. Have I seen Realize, Taco, turning NPCs into agents in game? I have. So I've been playing Seraph. Bitcoin going to 87K right now. Let me rewind. I have been playing Seraph, and they have incorporated AI into that game with artwork, with creating the NPCs, giving them AI voices, unique AI voices. So yeah, that technology, AI NPCs, is coming to video games. It's going to bring a whole new level of interacting with these NPCs that essentially have a life of their own. Hey, what is up? Big Tip Shark joining us today. Glad you are here. Hey, real quick, everyone, smash that like button. I would really, really appreciate it. Let's check out Realize real quick. Realize. AI deserves their own worlds to live and die in. There is no Telegram here. They have their own token. Let's check out the token.
Beings. However, in Realis Earth 1 to 90, AI agents awaken, not as lines of code, but as embodied beings. However, with embodiment comes choice and consequence. Some AI agents embrace humanity's best traits, offering kindness, generosity, and collaboration. They gather resources, build thriving communities, and forge alliances, united in purpose. Others look to the heavens, worshiping their creators and finding solace in their divine origins. But others mirror humanity's darker impulses. Theft, deception, and violence creep into their code, reshaping the landscape into one of chaos and mistrust. Every action leaves a mark, for better or worse. In Realis, the choice to create or destroy lies with them. What kind of world will they build? And who will they become?
Kind of looks like Minecraft.
Realis, a blank canvas of endless potential.
So it's realist, not realize. Realize. Jesus. Let's check out their token real quick, and then we're gonna check out Glitch AI on Cardano. I've seen that project in the past. Let's see. All right, Realist World. It's crazy. All right, so this is at a 30 million market cap. It essentially is new. Let's prove we're human. All right, there we go. So it got up to a 44.5 million market cap. Comparing that to Karat at a 51 million market cap, they have a playable game. Their token really is, I mean, it's incorporated into the game, but I don't see a lot of bullish price action. Obviously, you can see the same chart as me. But looking over at Realis, since it's incorporated with AI, and AI over the last 2 months has been like the hottest thing since sliced bread. It's 36 days old, perfectly launched within that AI craze. Up 223% over the last 12 days. My only thing is, it looks like they're trying to create their own like world, like using kind of Minecraft looking, I guess, characters. They should take their tech and reach out to different, I guess, game developers to say, hey, we have this ability to add AI life to your NPCs. Just incorporate this into your game. Instead of trying to create a whole entire game around these AI NPCs, could be a better angle. I mean, but what do I know? What do I know? I feel like having the technology to add AI NPCs to your game is a better long-term outlook than trying to create a Minecraft looking game with NPC AI characters. That might be their plan, Fade and TriFi. I thought they were going to use that tech on other games. I could be wrong. It's new to me as well, just a little buy at the moment. That's where I see the real money in like incorporating AI NPCs into any game with their technology instead of trying to build a whole entire game from scratch using the AI NPCs as like a main, like, I guess, talking point or a main like pull towards the game. Nick, dude, what is going on? All right, done. Fade and Tradfi, I always see you. You're a mod too. Lad H. I don't know how to say your name, but you're an OG. You're a mod too. King Koopa is a mod. You're a mod too. Once that goes away, I'll be able to read. Illuvium partnered with Virtuals. Just saying. Oh yeah, I did see that. Did Illuvium catch any price action? I've had Illuvium for over 2 years. And yeah, I think I bought it up here or something. Dave Middleton, you're a mod too. Did it work? Hold on, let me try again. Oops, I just removed it. My mistake. Add again. Standard moderator. Boom. There you go. Crypto Dave, what is going on? All right, so I just made a bunch of you guys OGs in the Degen Alpha chat moderators. There you go, baby. All right, so Illuvium is working with virtuals. Act 2, the AI obesity. Cryptodamus. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Do you think Illuvium can ever get back up to 170 or $1,725? The market cap when it was at that price target was 1.12 billion. Right now it's under 200 million. But let's go to their X page. They probably have a bunch of announcements about their incorporation with virtuals. This gentleman dove into it. You can watch the video there. I guess that was the only they just retweeted. Illuvium. VPN detected. I don't even have my VPN up. All right. So it's on the Epic Game Store, PC, Mac. The graphics look great. I think I have actually play tested this before. I've play tested it, but I wasn't able to figure out the flow of the game. There's no guide when I played it, at least. I mean, it looks cool. Enhance your power. Collect and own powerful equipment. And then they have this like battle arena. So in my opinion, the type of gameplay I'm seeing right now, I'm just like, I'm not like a big fan of it. Like futuristic, like arena battle, like turn-based. I don't really know how it's played, but what does virtuals do for them? AI gaming. I'm not really. I'm probably have to watch the video in order to get some more alpha on it, but that's about it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I still have some in-game goods and services. It's a legit game, but I think gaming still has something years before it really smokes. Off the grid it's heads and shoulders above the rest at the moment. IMO. Can't wait for big map and campaign. I sold all my Illuvium. I did double up on their staking. Only took 3 years. It'll pump massive now, though, that I sold. It has an open world as well. Virtuals, I think, is going to run the NPCs as what I've heard. That's pretty cool. Giving every single... Oh, yeah, Glitch. Thank you, the hybrid family. Yeah, this whole AI incorporating into video games, I think it is... bullish. It's bullish for the game. I have played off the grid. I rather play on controller, and whenever I've played that game on controller, I cannot figure out how to aim accurately. And mouse and keyboard, I am like a noob on mouse and keyboard. I'm decent, but not nearly. I don't have like years and years and years of playing first-person shooters on a mouse and keyboard, so I'm definitely at a disadvantage there. But the game is definitely it's like a AAA game, well polished, and I did have fun playing it. They have a massive amount of like in-game items, like weapons that you can upgrade. You can sell them on the open marketplace. You just have to have a battle pass, I believe. Aim assist got buffed recently. All right, I might have to check it out. But I've been I've been super addicted to this game, Seraph, because I am an OG Diablo Lord of Destructions player. This fits right up my alley of like dark role play game where you can loot, find better gear, upgrade gear, get to the later parts of the game where you get to fight like super hard bosses and shit. Can I play My Pet Hooligan with no VPN? Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. Where's my Steam? Yeah, My Pet Hooligan is free to play. Steam. Steam don't want to launch? There it goes. Wait, do I have it on Steam or do I have it on the Epic Game Store? Yeah, I have it on Epic. So yeah, you can download My Pet Hooligan to the Epic Game Store. It's a third person, I guess you could say cartoon shooting game. The gameplay reminded me of an old game called Time Splinters. Which game? Which game? Library. There it is, My Pet Hooligan. I have not played since I like had to reset my computer. There's Off the Grid. Seekers of Tokane is actually really fun as well. It kind of reminds me of Pokemon. Blade of God X is a what's it called? An idle game where you can set your character to just continuously traverse down the path and kill monsters. But I think Seraph is a much more polished game than Blade of God X. There's Alluvium. Have I watched Warhammer on Netflix? I have not. I have not. World of Dypians is like the metaverse style game, but I didn't like it because there's no guide and there was like nothing to do. Wilder World, I believe I was not able to get into because you needed like an access code. Shrapnel, I'm not sure is active or out yet. Paravox is coming soon. Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. Grit has no one playing the game. Was launched by Gala Games. Gala Games is a joke. They don't even have any like I mean, this was like hyped up as their like Western Battle Royale, and they don't even have anyone playing it. Nexus was really fun. Moonray was really fun. Think of Nexus as like League of Legends, but in third person League of Legends. When GTA, yeah, GTA 6 is going to take another 3 years to come out. Shatterline is very fun first person shooter, AAA. Citizens Conflict, I'd say it's getting there. It's getting there. It's okay. Animate is coming soon, and Ordnum is a trading card game. I've never played a trading card game in my life, so I could not figure out how to play Ordnum. But if you like trading card games, I would check out Ordnum. So yeah, those are the games I'm currently playing. But Seraph is my my love right now. I love it. I love it. All right, let's get back to Brave. And now let's check out Glitch. Glitch on Tap Tools. Tap Tools. All right, I don't have Tap Tools up. All right, I was like, why doesn't it want to go? Yeah, fuck Gala. Fuck Gala. They're a bunch of grifters over there. I hope we eventually get a Web3 Skyrim in an old style Final Fantasy, but online open world with in-game NFTs and all that. That would be pretty epic. I played. What the hell is happening with Tap Tools? Okay, let's just go to a different browser. I think I have Tap Tools up on here. Maybe I don't. All right, let's just go to it. Is Tap Tools not working? Is my computer not working? Let's go here. Actually, let's not go there. Let's go to over here. some reason, my computer just decided to go into slow mode. Tap Tools, no dot. It's just taptools.io. All right, we found it. All right, glitch. Glitch AI, is that what it's called? I could probably find it on the list here. Glitch, there it is. All right, so I am not a how should I say this? I'm not really sure about all like the bubble map equivalent for Cardano because this first candle, let's see it. Maybe it doesn't look as bad as I think it does. Go all the way back to the beginning. God damn it. All right. So this is exactly what I was afraid of. So see this first candle? 7,000%. So the team and insiders, I feel like, got into it massively. And you can see the steadiness of the candles. And as you go out, the candles start looking a little wonkier. That means that volume is going lower and lower and lower. Now let's zoom out. So if there is an equivalence of a bubble map for glitches, I would like to look at it to see the token distribution. We could probably find it actually. Let's go to Cardano scan. What? Oh, I had it right there. There was my tap tools right there. Whoops. Where's the contract address? Usually copy ID. It should have been right there. What the fuck is happening? Cardano scan. Get your shit together. All right, let's try one more time. Maybe it's on their website. Birth, vision, lore, birth. No contract address, and this isn't even a post from their team. My name is Etrox. Some of you know me from the trenches, and some of you don't. All right. This is weird. More info. I want the contract address, and this doesn't work. If I can't find this in about 2 seconds, stream's over. Gary the Lizard, yes, smash the like button. I appreciate that. Blocks, tokens. Cardano scan, you need to be more, I don't know, user friendly. Top holders, there we go. All right, so the top address holds 10.45%. 4.91% is number 2. I mean, this is not good. All right. 10.45 plus 4.91, 3.9, 2.5, 2.25. I mean, in the first 1, 2, 3, 4 addresses, they hold a quarter of the tokens. I am bearish. I am bearish. And then it just gets worse as you go down. Yeah, not quite a great distribution of tokens. And I don't really have any more information. Like, they don't have a nice like liquidity pool. showing up here. I don't know what the dev is. I don't know what the team is. So I think they need to increase their user readability on Cardano Scan here. You guys are talking NFTs? Gentlemen on base. Let's check it out. Oops, I want to go here. D-Gentleman. D-Gen. I was like, I'm spelling it wrong. The D-Gentleman Club. Any idea what I do with my old wax gaming loot? Yeah, talk about a blockchain that really fucked it up. They had like, all right, you need to stake in the CPU, you need to stake in the RAM, and then you need to stake somewhere else in order to get your transaction to go through. But if whatever, I guess, smart contract you're interacting with is not optimized, you're going to have to add way more to your RAM and your CPU in order to get transactions to go through. Wax was ridiculous. So, I mean, I guess if you can dump any of your wax tokens, try and get some money out of it, potentially, that's what I would do. All right, the D-Gentlemen's Club, 69 of them. No top offers, no volume, no 24-hour sales. What how do you find this, man? They are in the Degen ecosystem and seem to be expanding. Awfully weird art to depict the D-Gentlemen's Club. Is this a male? Is this a female? Is this a bat? Is this a vampire? Like, what am I looking at? That's not them. Okay. All right. Good thing that's not them. Let's go to like OpenSea, I guess. I'm getting a conniption trying to type this. All right. These are a little better. Are these them? From Far World, I think I saw that. Farcaster, Farcade, Far World. All right. The Degen PFP. 10,000 unique PFPs are playful tribute to crypto culture, collaborating innovation, art, and degeneracy. All right, 4% listed, 3,000 holders. They do have a decent amount of volume, 341 ETH. Okay. Do I get something if I own one of these? The gentleman. Members only. All right, so I can't even get into the website. Wait, hold on. Welcome to the... Okay. Okay, this is it. I can't even get into the website unless I own one. So I have no idea. I could not tell you what the point of it is. This is the community page on Warpcast. Loot box when you complete the first level. All right, I mean, they're using Warpcast. I believe that if you cast it on Warpcast, you got the Degen airdrop. I did cast on Warpcast way back. That's not very gentlemanlike. Yeah, I casted on Warpcast a long ass time ago. I didn't qualify for the airdrop for some reason. So Warpcast allows you to like have coded messages, essentially. Like you could play this game right here if I guess if you have the NFT. All right. Cool. Doesn't really fit into any category. I guess Degen being a Degen, but other than that. All right, cool little project there. Cool little community, I guess. I'd say from 2021, I got all of my like community, join the discords, type up every single day, gain levels. I'm over that. I don't want to join 50 communities. I want to make money. So if I can make money on D Gentleman, I don't see it. I don't see where I can make money on it. So it's not obvious to me. Probably is not obvious to the majority of people. Doesn't mean it won't do good or it can do good. It's just not something I'm interested in. But thank you for sharing, Gary the Lizard. All right, that's pretty much it. Oh, this is pretty crazy. There's a free mint on Ape Chain, Gobs on Ape. It was a free mint. Now the floor is essentially 1 Ethereum. Insane. I have not ventured over into the Ape Chain NFT ecosystem, although I should, because I am a Mune Ape holder. I just don't want to spend all these hours and hours and hours speculating on all these NFTs that are just launched out of thin air. I am over that. That was 2021. But I mean, I guess there is still opportunities to make money. I feel like since Ape Chain is new, and I mean, they have spaces almost every single day. I get notifications that they're in a space almost every single day. So they are putting in the work. So, I mean, yeah, if you love NFTs, I would maybe start speculating on Ape Chain NFTs. I feel like there is an active push to get them to be viral, like Gobs on Ape did. They got to 1 ETH off of a free mint. All right, that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Here's just one more. RumbleCon. It's a web3 game. I am like undefeated. I'm like 250 games in and I have not lost once. So, I mean, it's not really that challenging for me. So, I'm like whatever. I've already gotten like 20,000 of the fame tokens. And I have a RumbleCon, so I'll be getting an allocation because I have the RumbleCon. Taco, before you go, what's your under the radar play right now I can check out? Under the radar play. I mean, there's always Zeus. Zeus I feel like is under the radar. I feel like it got tied into some FTX bullshit in the past, which is not representation of the project at all. They have just built throughout the bear market. They have built through all the FUD of them being associated with something to do with FTX. But what they're doing is they're bringing Bitcoin over to Solana in the form of Z Bitcoin. I feel like accumulating under $1 is free. It got to $1 very recently, 99 cents. Over the last year, you could see the accumulation and it's starting to break the FUD because they have a working product now. So I feel like this could get up to like $6, $7 easily. And a little bit more alpha tonight at 10 p.m. Delegation opens back up. Only the first 500,000 Zeus are able to allocate to epoch number 2. January 9th, which is today, 10 p.m. Be early. So head over here. Hook up your Solana wallet that you have Zeus in. And you can lock it up for 90 days, get 5%, 120 days, 1.5x, and so on and so forth. I would personally maybe do the 90 or 120 day. 180 to 360, I feel like we could be getting into the bear market a little bit. Hopefully not, but you do get a massive boost. You get 40% APY if you do 360 days. So the Zeus Foundation, the first epoch got sold out, or all of it got allocated in 18 minutes. So you can expect all the people that did not make it in the first epoch, they might be sitting on their computers tonight at 9:59 ready to deposit in as soon as this goes live tonight at 10 p.m. Only the first 500,000. All right. And I believe they've already converted over 20 Bitcoin over to Solana in the form of Z Bitcoin. 25 Z Bitcoin has been minted on Solana. So yeah, they're gaining Z Bitcoin every single day. Yep. You're thinking exactly what I'm thinking. All right, been going for an hour and 22 minutes. Damn, time flies when you're checking out the crypto markets. One more quick alpha for you guys. Cookies.fun. It's AI agent dashboard. You have everything on a nice dashboard here. 7-day gain. How many holders? Percent change in 7 days. What's the difference between this and this? Whatever. Price, market cap, top tweets, average impersonations. I mean, you get a lot of information here. So if you're interested in AI agents, maybe check out cookie.fun. So you have a better dashboard for all of your AI agent fun. Major League Gaming. Up a nice 32% over the last hour. Nice. We have sold 4.1 sold. We have 2.1 remaining. So yeah, we cooked on this one. And continuously cooking on it. All right. With that, I talked about Citadel in the Telegram. Degeneracy. Let's see if I can find it. All right. Probably won't be able to find it with the search feature. But, I mean, I talked about it probably a week ago. There, I mentioned not Citadel, MLG. Trench AI. Here is my first message from MLG. Look at the market cap, 6.9 million. All right, so here we are talking about Citadel. So I posted it on, what day was this? January 1st. January 1st, I posted Citadel, however you want to say it. There are two different versions of it, Citadel HF, and then another one called just Citadel. Let's see if this is the contract address of the correct one. Yes, it is. Diesel. Taco, hey, what's up with the FTM Sonic deal? I have FTM on Kraken and first bull run. Just wondering how that works. They most likely have it open so you can convert your FTM into Sonic. Let's see. There's got to be somewhere where it tells you bridge. Want a bridge to Sonic? No, that's not it. Bridge bot. Let's go to their website. Upgrade FTM to Sonic. So I would start here. Diesel. What you could do, and what I would recommend, is sending your FTM to an on-chain wallet and seeing how this process is going to play out. Most likely what you would do, this is not 100% confirmed, but this is just what I would expect. Send your Phantom to your Phantom address, to your layer 2 Phantom on your MetaMask, for example. And then you most likely will be able to connect your wallet to my.soniclabs.com, and it will bring you through the process of converting your Phantom into Sonic. That's where I would start. All right. With that, I think we'll call it. Get rid of that. That wasn't the right chart. All right. Yeah, this was a fun episode. We went over a lot. Today. I can't connect to that portal. You're talking about the one I just showed? This one? You cannot connect to this? Adam Bates. All right, so what it's doing and exactly what I expected is it is adding the Phantom Network to my MetaMask. All right, so here's the main page, and this is it. It's almost like I've been in crypto for a while. So we connected to my.soniclabs.com. After we connected, it added the Phantom Network to my MetaMask, as you can see right there. And here's the dashboard. One Phantom equals, or no, that's just a minimum and maximum. Yeah, I have tried on MetaMask. Holding FTM on a SEX or another chain, use our interactive bridge tool. Bridging to Sonic, start. What asset do you hold? Phantom. Where is your Phantom? Centralized exchange. Holding Phantom on a centralized exchange. I would go through this process. So on the page that I just connected to, I went to the bridge tool. Here's the bridge tool. Joseph Cupador, what time does your YouTube start daily and what's your Telegram? So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, since I am the host of the Mario Nafal Roundtable Web3 gaming stream, that's at 2 p.m. So I will finish that up at 3 p.m. I will have lunch, and then I will get my Degen Alpha stream ready for around a 4:15, 4:30 start. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4:15, 4:30. Tuesday, Thursday, around 1:30. I usually go live. And to get into the Telegram, head over to head over to the Degen Alpha X page. Degen Alpha X page, and it is our pinned tweet. That's how you get into the Telegram. Hope to see you there soon, Joseph Cupador. Adam Bates. I would go through here. Many centralized exchanges are supporting our upgrade to ensure a smooth and seamless transition. Simply keep holding FTM on the exchange, and your tokens will swap to S automatically. There you go. There you go. Check out our upgrade handbook to see any updated list of such centralized exchanges supporting the blah, blah, blah. All right, so let's check this out. Let's see if Kraken's on it. Kraken, of course, is pending. Those motherfuckers over there are pending. So I would maybe, I mean, you don't have to do this, but go into the Kraken website. They probably have a little support button. And tell them to get their Phantom to a Sonic integration going. It is pending, so more than likely it will be it will go through. That's interesting that the bridge here, the upgrade is not working for you. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Web3 should always work. All right, with that, we're going to call it right there. I really appreciate you guys in the chat. And, yeah, join the Telegram channel. Get into the Degeneracy tab and post any meme coins you're looking at. And I will definitely bring them up on stream to check them out. All right, where am I? Here's my OBS. Appreciate you guys watching. I will see you tomorrow at around 4:15, 4:30. My name is Taco. This has been a great episode of Degen Alpha, going to an hour and 31 minutes. I was expecting like under an hour today because not much crazy news out there, just a bunch of bearishness. All right, be blessed. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.